Welcome back everyone to another review. Today we're taking a look at Opera GX. Opera GX is a Chromium-based browser designed specifically for gamers. Launched in 2019, it combines advanced gaming-themed customization, system resource controls, integrated social tools, and immersive media hubs to deliver a unique browsing experience. In 2025, it partnered with GeoGuessr and introduced feature-rich mods like Cyberpunk 2077 Hub to deepen user engagement. So, GX Control Panel limits browser CPU, RAM, and network usage to free up system resources during gaming sessions. Also built-in access to Discord, Twitch, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Blue Sky, and more. GX Corner and Gaming Hubs offers gaming deals, free titles, custom themes, and special ad hubs. Also audio-visual customization with ambient sounds, type-in clicks, customizable themes, RGB sync via Razer Chroma support. The tab management innovation features like tab islands, tab emoji, traces, split screen view, and workspace organization for efficient multitasking, and it provides a free encrypted VPN and blocking features for privacy and security. The GS Cleaner and Sync tool with one-click cache cleanup and Opera Sync for bookmarks across devices, so you get visually engaging and customizable browser resource management tools, seamless social integration, built-in privacy tools, innovative tab features for multitasking, and unique gaming content hubs. Now let's move on to the cons. The neon-heavy, sound-laden interface may feel distracting and gimmicky. Also, custom visual effects and music can burden low-end devices, sometimes causing slowdowns or higher RAM usage. Opera GX has fewer compatible extensions than Chrome or Firefox, and some popular tools might not be available. And passwords and extensions often do not migrate from Chrome. Large downloads might fail or be slower. Also, with privacy concerned, owned by a Chinese consortium, some users question the built-in VPN's effectiveness and data collection policies. Also, reports of splash screen jump scares, crashing tabs, slowed load times, and unstable performance over long-term use. So, Opera GX shines when you're a gamer or power user who loves immersive visuals, resources tuning, integrated messaging, and gaming-centric features. It's ideal for users with 8 GB of RAM and more, or those seeking high personalization. But it's less ideal when you require a minimal browser for work, professional use, or prefer understand performance without flashy animations. The limited extension ecosystem, syncing quirks, and occasional bugs make it suited as a sole browser for critical workflows. So, a feature-packed, visually engaging browser for gamers or theme-loving users, but keep a backup for professional or lightweight needs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.